motto?
Put that in this.
What is your motto?
Your eyes were bigger than your body. Like
Yeah.
my eyes
What is your
are.
My eyes are
motto?
dried up.
Stand up. Come here. Get up. Get up off that floor. What's a
It sucked the
motto?
moisture right out of my mouth.
What is that?
What if it was cold?
What's a motto?
You'll feel it in like 5-10 minutes.
Really?
It'll warm you up.
Is that really?
Then I
What are you
then I would've
doing?
said,
What are you
"It's
eating?
okay, honey, that's
What
fine.
is that in your
I'm
hand?
craving for it."
What is it?
Sorry, babe.
Is that candy?
It's not candy.
He said
It's
it's
a
hot outside, it's ice
popsicle.
cream. 'Cause I'm
It's
talking
not a
about-
popsicle. It's an ice cream.
Ronnie's always talking to me about my weight.
No, well,
Yeah, careful. Don't fall.
No?
He says you're fine
Like a
and you
juice
need to
genie?
stop.
Show me the moto dance. How do you do the moto
He
dance?
says I'm always
Do the
eating.
moto dance. Do it.
Mama don't do it.
Let's jump up now, man.
Do the moto dance. My moto dance.
Mama don't do it.
yeah.
That's what he said. That's my motto.
He said that's his moto
He was
dance.
whooping me with that stick today.
Oh, he got Ronnie
He
too.
was whooping me and
Okay, moto boy. Say bye. Hey, get over here. Say bye, moto.
Bye, Motto.
A moto boy.
Don't step over there.
Do the moto dance.
Motto.
Do the moto
Yeah.
dance.
muscle dance.
See you later, ice cream boy.
It's like,
Ice cream boy.
Alright,
He
I'm
ate
out,
that
Ronnie.
whole ice cream.
Okay.
But he didn't eat all his
You guys
food.
up.
yeah, I'm out.
And chips.
I gotta go cut my